All right. Currently on another adventure. It's been nonstop the last month, and I'm pretty stoked. In a new zone, and what the heck? I didn't get any sort of room service. Someone just knocked. The black tin cup. What the heck? Huh. Check this out. Tin cup whiskey box. The Spirited Adventure. Huh. Let's see here. Oh, nice. What do we have here? Tin cup. Golden top. Dang. Nice. All right. And the letter.
Dear fellow adventurer, as a fan and a friend of Tin Cup Whiskey, you probably know that our name is a tip of the hat to the Colorado mining town of Tin Cup. The cup on the top of the whiskey I'm sending you today is a tribute to those golden dreams, celebrating not just the fun of the find, but the thrill of the journey that gets you there. That special gold cup represents a treasure of $10,000. Don't get too excited, it's not yours to keep. When you're out on one of your next adventures, I need you to hide this somewhere outside. Off the beaten path, not buried, not anywhere dangerous, but choose a place that can only be found after an adventure worth coasting. The kind of place that won't be discovered easily. You get that done, then feel free to enjoy the whiskey this cup was attached to. Oh, and make sure you keep a note of where you hide it. We're going to give some folks some clues about how to go about finding it. Now, sorry to make you part with the gold, but the next time I see you, the whiskey's on me. Cheers, Jess.
Nice. Let's get it going. I'm on an adventure right now. I might as well just hide it around here. Sick.